Hi there, I'm Justin Waite, and I'm going to be doing a series of videos, about 1 minute each. There'll be a series of 10 videos entitled 10 Lessons I've Learned from Investing in Small Caps. And you may be asking, okay, so what qualifications do you have here? Okay, so I've been investing for over 20 years. I'd say in the last 3 or 4 years, I've focused specifically on small caps. This is because I do a daily podcast. I chat to CEOs of small cap companies, and I've also been aware of the kind of potential returns you can get. And I've seen companies, in fact, I've been in companies that have done 100%, anything from 100% to 600% to 1,000% over a short period of time. You don't get that in big cap stocks. If you want to make money, serious money, you can do it in small cap stocks. You can also get burned quite badly in small cap stocks. They're very volatile. So as far as I'm concerned, in the last 3 years, my portfolio, let me just go back 10 years for a second. My portfolio performance in the last 10 years, I've done about 15 times the value from original value. So about 1,500% I've gone from the last 10 years. A lot of that has been in the last 3 years. And I've had about 3 10-baggers, Asian Met Resources, EVRH Holdings, also, Vasarian as well. I've had about a couple of 5-baggers in Ascent Resources, Metal Tiger, a couple of 3-baggers, Valrex as well, a couple of 3-baggers in Tertiary Minerals and a few others. And I've had, in total, over the last 3 years, about 60 bags. 1 bag is a doubling of money, by the way. 10 bags is 1,000%. So I've had about 60 bags over the last 3 years. And like I said, my portfolio has increased massively. And the thing is, how I've done that is I've learned. And I think, I've made mistakes. I've been badly burned on companies. I've lost my entire holding on a company. But there's, in my mind, when you make a mistake, if you learn from it, it's a lesson. And there are lots of companies now I will not even look at that, some people may think will give excellent returns because I know I've been burned before in companies like that. So I have a specific focus and there's certain criteria I look for when I'm investing in small cap stocks, and I'll be imparting this, information on the videos in the next 10 lessons. Like I said, I'm not perfect. I'm still learning. I do make mistakes, but hopefully the mistakes I make now are limited, and so the upside is massive compared to the sort of downside, and that's what I look for. So if you're interested in seeing these lessons and get them straight to your inbox, then please subscribe below on the button below. Hit the subscribe button there, and they'll come straight to your inbox. And feel free to ask any questions whatsoever you have. I'll try my best to answer them. Like I said, I'm not perfect. I'm not the guru, but I have done quite well in the small cap space, and a lot of it is through lessons learned. That's it. So by all means, subscribe, and you'll get the videos straight to your inbox. Thank you very much.